Truth seekers out here doing some distraction training with them out here in the beautiful Georgia in the cold. Some distraction training. They're doing pretty good. It's really important for Q, really important for all of us. You know, over here we got the nice little cat right there watching us train. But they got something's got their attention to my right. But whatever it is, they have to stay. Lay down. Dirty. Lay down. Good. Okay, we got a human coming behind us. Good sit. Up. Sit. Sit. Good sit. Good stay. Good stay. Sit. Yes. Cute. Up. Sit. Good stay. Got this old school cat right here. Good stay. That's a good boy. Good stay. Good stay. People just walking down the street. Normally Q be on his tail. But, you know, practice makes prepared. And that's what we're about. Just trying to give them a quality lifestyle, whether they can be in the public or at home. And they get shown love and they get to show love. That's the name of the game. So that's how we doing it. Stay. Side. Come on. Go. So we're just walking around, getting all the different smells, all the different distractions, getting us some class. Class is in session. Class is absolutely in session. Just a different way for them to get their walk in. It's nice and cold out here. Might have said that once, but who cares? It is what it is. It's cold outside, y'all. Good stop. Okay, go. They're not jumpy around vehicles. They're always confident around cars. We're always in the streets. But come on. Good stop. All right, come on. Just taking them through different scenarios. Let them get different smells, different terrain. While we have an opportunity. They didn't have to do no treadmill work today because it's not raining. I don't have them too much outside in the backyard because it's so muddy. And they can just be coming in the house all muddy and stuff. I don't really feel all that. I don't like that one bit. So no pool. So I try to just either they're gonna do treadmill work, hang out in the front yard, or we'll go somewhere else. No pool. All right. So that's just that. And it's just fun to get out, having dogs. That's a no. Q, would you stay on your side? No pool. Good stop. Good stop. Dirty. Let's go. So they got all kind of smells in this parking lot because of the restaurants. Smells pretty damn good, to be honest with you. Come on. Have a good one, brother. Hang in there. It's the truth, though. It is what it is. That's right. That's good to hear. Come on. Come on. No pull. No pull. Good stop. Come on, side. That's another thing about having dogs. People like to drive close to you and look at them. But it's all good. They haven't been pet by strangers in like a month, I think. No pull. So I wanted them to get some stranger interaction, because they be loving to deal with people. Sheesh. They be loving to deal with people, so let's see if we can come across some doggy lovers. I know dirty. Damn, that food smells good. Come on, let's go. Jeez. It is cold out here in the A. After this little walk with these guys, then I'm gonna go ahead and get my train on. Stick to my routine. Gotta have routine in this life. Gotta have a vision for yourself. You know what I'm saying? Sheesh, come on. I think when I slow down and stop, I think Q gets cold. So I try to keep them busy. Yeah, we're just strolling. Nowhere specific. Just out and about. Allow me to warm up before I start working out, and then allow them to get some cardio in. Stuff like that. I hope everybody's been doing well. Hope you guys are building up your spirit, building up your body, just growing in general. I kind of don't have too much structure on them in this walk. I'm kind of letting them they keep crossing each other. They kind of just being free, so to speak, until we get by more people. You're not tighten up on the side. No pull. But that's about it. It's been a pretty good week for me. Hope you guys are getting prepared in case things seem to go left in the country. You know, if you listen to the video this far, and you know, not too many people listen to the lengthy videos. So if you listen to it this far, I think that's pretty cool. And I got a question for you. Come on. Which way are we going? No, we're going this way. Come on. I got a question for for the listener. You don't have to answer, you don't have to respond, but I want you to think. If the power go out in your house, how would you be able to use the water? How would you be able to use the bathroom? No pool. That's the question I have. How would you be able to use the bathroom if the power go out and no pool and you're not able to flush? What are you going to do to use the bathroom? Come on. And let's say the power was out for 2 months. No pool, dirty. Let's say the power was out for 2 months. If it's just you, what mechanisms, what tools would you use to use the bathroom? And the reason why I asked that question, because using the bathroom seems to be like a simple thing that we all do as humans. But we have to remember, us in this society, we're using the bathroom because we have power, the system to be able to flush the toilets. Good stop. Good sit. The system to be able to flush the toilets. The system to give us pressurized water to flush the toilets with. And if the power went out, how would your family use the bathroom for the next 2 months? While you guys are able to do all the rest of the things that you're normally doing in life. When your stomach starts to say, okay, I gotta go, how are you gonna do that? Do you have an answer for that? And if you do not have an answer for that, I will highly suggest that you get an answer for that, for you and your family, so that'll be one thing that you won't have to worry about that people seem to just overlook. Good stop. Good sit. Think about that. How will you do that? How would your family do that? You got your little baby girl, you got your baby boy, you got your wife. They all gotta do number 2. What are y'all gonna do? What are you gonna do when all the water in the toilet is out, power's out, can't go buy water that much? You gotta have a exact change or cash or however the scenario may be. But while you trying to figure this out, while the power's out, while you're looking for candles, while you're looking for flashlights, somebody in your house gotta use the bathroom. And they can't hold it. And ain't no water in the toilet. What do y'all do? Think about that. Get the answer, get the solution, so that you and your family can be able to have a clear mind when these tragic things happen. Up. That's a no cue. Up. You have a good mind about yourself, while everyone else is like, what do we do? How do we figure this out? That's just one of the basic things that you won't have to worry about. That's the last thing you want to worry about, is something as simple as just going to the bathroom. It can become very, very challenging if you don't have the necessary equipment. No pool. They really feeling themselves because I'm on my video. They really think they walking me. Normally they wouldn't have such liberty. They walk with more structure, and they love it when they get to have that little liberty. No pool. They love it when they get to have that liberty. They get to walking in this way and walking that way. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I wish you and your family the very best. So do your very best. We'll holler at you. Peace.